selection of Wamp server. For Windows 7, after clicking Windows 7 is 64-bit, so I'll proceed with the download of Wamp server 64. Click download directly. Here the page is redirected to another website and download is now double click on exe file. You will receive a security warning after opening Wamp server file. On security warning dialog, you have to agree the license of Wamp server before selecting installation destination at your Windows machine. It is a very important step of Wamp server. But you can do, you will be at ready to install window after clicking next button. Setup is now ready to begin installing Wamp server on computer. Sure about the installation or executable files to your favorite browser. Wamp server will choose Internet Explorer IP server and the address mail to be used by PHP. When using the function mail, I will recommend the following values, that is SMTP localhost, email, your email address. Click next after putting the above values for installation. After installation, now you can see Wamp server icon on the taskbar. Wamp server icon has 3 states. And MySQL. The Wamp server yellow icon shows that the Wamp server is still offline and any service and your development server is ready to use. Now let's open the 3.17 PHP version 5.3.4 loaded extension of PHP, MySQL version 5.1.53. It will be MySQL 5.5.8 screen, you'll be at phpMyAdmin index to manage your MySQL databases. Now let's create a one hello page PHP file. Open Notepad, type php equal server. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.